Okay, now here we go, folks. This is an Allis Chalmers M-7 troop carrier. George looked a long, long ways before he ever found one of those, and he came from snow country, rode snowmobiles all of his life. We've got the gas heater is back there in the back seat, along with all the parts on the pallet, and you're going to get everything all together. This thing runs great. They've been driving it around here. The only thing that I can say about this thing is as they drove it around, they were just kind of tooling along, and if I was running from a German regiment, I'd have got out of that thing and ran, because I could outrun it. All right, here we go on the M7 troop carrier, and what are we going to give on it today? Hey, look at there, fantastic piece, folks, and super rare for the Allis Chalmers collector. Give me $15,000 and $15,000. Give me $10,000 to start it, and $10,000 here, 10. I got 10 there on the internet. Now 12.5, well, fine, 12.5, but $10,000, $12.5, $15,000 bill. Now 15, now 15,000 bid, 75, 15,000. On the internet, 17.5. Your turn, sir. 17.5, 16, 17, 17 down bid, 17, internet's out, 17 down bid, 18, 18, new man of the race, 19, 19, 19 down, new man in, now $20,000 here, down 20, now 1, 21, now 1, now 2, 22, now 2, 22, marks out, down $22,000, down 2, and $23,000, now 4, down 4, $24,000, down 4, down 4, 24, down 4, 23, now 4, 23, 24, 23, 24, to 4, now 5, down 6, $26,000, down 6, $26,000, down 6, 26, 25, 26, 25, now 7, 27, down 8, 28, $28,000, now 8, 28. 28 down, 28. Now, Mark, you tell him. I know the snow gets deep up there. 28, 8, 27, 28, 8 down, 9, 29, now 9. Now $30,000 here, 30 down here, down 30 down bid, down 30 down, 30 down, $30,000 down, 30 down, 30 now 1, 31, 2, now 2 down, 2, 32 down, 32 now, 31, 32, $32,000 down, 2 to go, 32 to go. 32 to go, 2 now, 3, 33, now 3. Well, that's a funny place to stop. 32, 33. Was that a yes, sir? 33, was that 33? 34 down now, 4, 34, 33, 34, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 35, yeah, I know, but you just look like you don't mean it. 34, 35, 34, 35, 34 now, you just about did that time. 34, $35,000 down, 34 down, 35,000, 35, she's headed out of the chute, 34, 35,000, 35, sold him $34,000, and the bidder number is 139.